In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the default username and password for your Netgear router. Start by looking at the label on the back or bottom of your router. This sticker has plenty of important information about your router. Check for a section called Default Access or something similar. The username is admin, and the default password is password. You should enter these login details on the router login page. If the label doesn't have any login details, just try using admin for both the username and password. In very rare instances, these login credentials might not work. In this case, you must reset the router to the factory settings. Check out my other video for step-by-step instructions on how to reset your Netgear to its factory settings. And then try to enter again. It will definitely help you. After resetting the router to its factory settings, you'll need to set it up again. A tutorial on how to do this will be in the description of this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment.